You may find at times when you're adding a blog page or a blog post that you don't really feel like you have enough formatting options for the text. When you initially install WordPress, you should have this first row of formatting options, which includes your bolding, italicizing, some alignment options, etc. There are a few more, and if you hover over this icon right here, you'll see that it says Show Hide Kitchen Sink. If you click that, it's going to enable another row of icons, so you have some more options. So now you can change some headings, some different formats here. You have an additional justification alignment and some additional options. You can get more options than this by installing a plugin called Ultimate Tiny MCE, and we're going to take a look at that right now. So to install this, what you'll do is go over to Plugins, Add New. Actually, let me jump over here. There we go. Plugins, Add New. And in the search box, you're just going to type in Ultimate Tiny MCE, and make sure that Tiny MCE is typed in as one word so that we know that we get the right plugin, and then just click Search Plugins. And right away we can see right here up on the top, Ultimate Tiny MCE, so just go ahead and click Install Now and say OK. And at this point, the files are being uploaded to your server, unzipped and installed. And once that's finished, we're going to get this page and we're going to click on Activate Plugin, because now we want to be able to use the plugin. And so we are all set. So now if we scroll down, and over here on the left, we'll see that Ultimate Tiny MC has been inserted. Go ahead and click on that. And this is going to bring us to the setup page. Now in my case, I had this installed previously, so my previous options are still selected on here. So what I do recommend for the first installation, or for first setup I should say, is that you just pick a few options here. And you can see that I picked the font select button, the font size button, and then the horizontal rule button. And I made sure to click under row selection, row 3 for each of these. Right now we have 2 rows. We want to put this on the 3rd just to kind of keep everything well organized. And you don't want to select too many here, as that's going to make it a little bit convoluted and difficult when you have a bunch of different options in your toolbar. So once you've made those selections, just scroll down to the bottom. And of course, if you'd like to make a couple more, by all means go ahead. And you can always come back in here and change them, so that's not a problem. And then just go ahead and click Update Button Options. And it'll save those options for you. And now if you go over to a page and you want to make sure that those are there, I'm going to refresh mine because I had one existing. You'll see now I have an additional row, so I've got the 3rd row just where I told the Ultimate Tiny MCE to place them. So now I can change the font family, and that's super easy to do by just highlighting the text, picking the font family I'd like. If I'd like to change the font size as well, I can easily do that. And I picked horizontal rule too, so I could add a line in here if I wanted to. And that's all there is to it.